Hey guys, welcome back again to Indoor Learning Academy. So today we are going to start the new chapter, that is Unit 4. So let's start. Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Listen and enjoy this story. Mittu was a parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day, Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. So, what is Mittu here? Mittu is a parrot. What is Mittu? Mittu is a parrot. Can you see this? This is a parrot. And what is the color of the parrot, children? The color of the parrot is green. Mittu was a parrot. This is parrot. And what is the color of the parrot? The color of the parrot is green. A green parrot with a red beak. Now children, what is this beak? Beak का मतलब होता है चोंच. Can you see this? This is the beak. What is the color of the beak? The color of the beak is red. So Mittu was a parrot. What is the color of the parrot? The color of the parrot is green with a red beak. One day Mittu was flying. He loved to fly. He looked down. एक दिन क्या होता है? Mittu was flying. Flying means उड़ रहा था. एक दिन मिट्टू उड़ रहा था. He loved to fly. उसको उड़ना बहुत पसंद था. He looked down. उसने नीचे देखा. He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. उसने नीचे क्या देखा children? He saw a big yellow mango on a tree. मिट्टू liked mangoes. मिट्टू को mangoes बहुत पसंद थे. I want to eat that yellow mango, he said. He flew down to the tree. अब मिट्टू क्या बोलता है? मुझे मैंगो खाना है. फिर वो नीचे उड़ के नीचे आ जाता है. कॉ कॉ गो अवे. कॉ कॉ गो अवे. दिस इज माई ट्री सेड अ वॉइस. अचानक से उसको एक आवाज आती है. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट साउंड? कॉ कॉ. कॉ कॉ कौन करता है? क्रो. इट वॉज अ क्रो. एंड उसकी जो वॉइस थी बहुत ही लाउड थी, बहुत ही जोर से आवाज कर रहा था. मिट्टू लुक्ड अप. He saw a big black crow. मिट्टू ने देखने लगा ये आवाज़ कहाँ से आ रही है. जब उसने देखा तो उसने क्या देखा कि आवाज़ तो ये क्रो कर रहा है. कॉ कॉ गो गो. फिर से आवाज़ आने लगी. फिर से बोलने लगा कॉ कॉ गो गो. गो का मतलब होता है यहाँ से चले जाओ. द क्रो शाउटेड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय शाउटेड? शाउटेड का मतलब होता है चिल्लाना. क्रो चिल्लाने लगा कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. He had a very loud voice. Now children, what do you mean by loud? Loud का मतलब होता है उसकी जो आवाज़ थी बहुत तेज आवाज़ थी. मिट्टू डर गया. मिट्टू was afraid of the crow. He flew away. मिट्टू डर गया. क्यों डर गया? क्योंकि इतना ब्लैक क्रो था. उसने पहली बार क्रो देखा था और उसकी आवाज़ भी इतनी तेज तेज आ रही थी. मिट्टू डर गया और वहाँ से चले गया. Let's see what happens next. मिट्टू saw a red balloon. It was under a tree. He had an idea. Now मिट्टू क्या करता है? मिट्टू he saw a red balloon. ठीक है? What is this? What is the color of this? Red. It was under a tree. It was under a tree. Balloon कहाँ पे था? It was under a tree. He had an idea. उसको एक विचार आया. He picked up the red balloon. Picked up मतलब उसने बलून उठाया. He was careful not to burst. And वो ध्यान रख रहा था कि कहीं ये फट ना जाए. He flew to the mango tree. बैलून लेके मैंगो ट्री पास उड़ जाता है. The crow was sitting on the tree. मिट्टू went behind the tree. Can you see this? Crow क्या कर रहा है? Crow was sitting on a tree. Crow was sitting on a tree. मतलब crow ट्री पे बैठा हुआ था. मिट्टू went behind the tree. उसके पीछे जाता है. Can you see this? This is a crow, black color crow. And this is a Mittu having a red balloon. He pecked the balloon with his red beak. Pop! The balloon burst. It made a loud noise. क्या करता है? He pecked the balloon. What is pecked? Pecked मतलब चोंच से उसको ऐसे करता है तो बैलून फट जाता है. Red beak. Pop! बैलून फट जाता है. The balloon burst. What do you mean by burst? Burst का मतलब होता है फटना. It made a loud noise. जैसे बैलून फटता है तो कितनी तेज की आवाज़ आती है, उसी तरह जब मिट्टू बैलून लेके इसके पीछे गया तो बहुत तेज की आवाज़ आने लगी. Caw said the crow and he fell off the tree. Crow क्या करता है? What did the crow do? Crow नीचे गिर जाता है. Now children, what do you mean by fell? फेल का मतलब होता है गिर जाना. कॉ कॉ अ बिग गेन इज आफ्टर मी. सेट द क्रो. अब क्रो क्या बोलता है? भागो भागो यहाँ से, मेरे पीछे बहुत बड़ी गन आ रही है. उसको कैसा पता चला वो गन आ रही है? बिकॉज उसको बहुत तेज की आवाज आई थी. ही फ्लू अवे. वो वहाँ से उड़ जाता है. ही नेवर केम बैक टू द ट्री. दोबारा वो उस ट्री में कभी वापस नहीं आता है. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. मिठू केम टू द ट्री. मिठू जाता है ट्री पास. ही एट द बिग येलो मैंगो. नाउ चिल्ड्रन व्हाट इज एट? एट का मतलब होता है खाना. बिग येलो मैंगो, बड़ा सा येलो मैंगो. कैन यू सी इन दिस पिक्चर? देयर इज अ बिग येलो मैंगो. यम्मी यम्मी. इट वॉज वेरी वेरी टेस्टी. What a nice mango. मिठू क्या बोलने लगा अपने आप को? मिठू ये बोलने लगा, wow, it is so nice, it is so yummy. He said, he was very happy. Now children, what is happy? Happy का मतलब होता है खुश. जैसे मिठू को वो मैंगो मिला वो बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गया. Clever मिठू. Now children, what is this? What is the meaning of clever? Clever का मतलब होता है होशियार मिठू. Now children, let's go for the book exercise. New words. So what are the new words that we have learnt in this chapter? Black, crow, mango, parrot. Let's repeat. Black, crow, mango, parrot. Now what is black? Black is the color. What is crow? This is the crow and it is black in color. And what is this mango? Mango means arm. And what is the color of mango? The color of mango is yellow. Next is your parrot. What is the color of parrot? Tota. The color of the parrot is green with a red beak. The color of the parrot is green with a red beak. Now let's move ahead. Let's read. I like eating a mango. मुझे आम खाना बहुत पसंद है. Like मतलब पसंद, eating मतलब खाना, mango मतलब fruit. I like eating a mango. Next sentence. I like feeding a crow. Let's repeat. I like feeding a crow. What this sentence mean? This sentence means that मुझे crow को खाना देना पसंद है. Now let's start this. Reading is fun. What did Mithu see on the tree? मिठू ने ट्री में क्या देखा? Mithu saw a big yellow mango on a tree. What did Mithu see on the tree? Mithu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Now let's move to the second question. What did the big black crow say? बिग ब्लैक क्रो ने क्या बोला? गो अवे. क्या बोला उसको? तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ. द बिग ब्लैक क्रो सेड मिठू टू गो अवे. लेट्स मूव टू द थर्ड क्वेश्चन नाउ. व्हाट डिड मिठू सी अंडर द ट्री? मिठू ने ट्री के नीचे क्या देखा? अ रेड बलून. क्या देखा उसने? रेड बलून. नाउ लेट्स टॉक. Do you like eating mangoes? Children, do you like eating mangoes? Yes, of course, everybody likes eating mangoes. Now, do you like green mangoes? Why? Green mango देखा आपने? केरी, जिसको केरी बोलते हैं. क्यों पसंद है वो अपने को? क्योंकि मम्मा उसका अचार भी बनाती है और वो खट्टा खट्टा भी रहता है, इसलिए बच्चों को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आता है. Now, do you like yellow mangoes? Why? Yes, of course everybody likes yellow mangoes because that is the national fruit and it is yellow in color and it is very juicy and बहुत मीठा भी होता है. एंड उसकी बहुत वैरायटीज़ भी बनती है, जैसे आम पापड़ बनता है, मैंगो जूस भी बनता है. राइट. लेट्स मूव अहेड नाउ. लेट्स शेयर. Color the chili red and the parrot in colors of your choice. Now children, what you have to do here is you have to color this parrot green. Okay. So you have to do it by yourself with the help of a pencil. Now let's sing this poem. Parrot with a red beak, can you really speak? Parrot with a red beak, can you really speak? Mittu, 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 mittu. Now trace the path of the ladybird. Can you see this ladybird? This ladybird, this ladybird and this ladybird. Now let's start doing this. Make sure that you are doing it very neatly and very clearly with the help of your pencil. What you have to do here is you have to connect all the dots. Make sure that you are not going to use pens. Here this is. Now let's move ahead. Match the fruit and vegetables to the trees they grow on. What is it? It's a banana. What is it? It's a banana. This is coconut, apple, grapes and mango. What are all these? All these are fruits. Let's repeat. Banana, coconut, apple, grapes and mango. These are the trees. Coconut tree, apple tree, banana tree, mango tree and grapevine. Now let's match. Where is banana tree? This is banana tree. Now where is coconut tree? This is coconut tree and this is the coconut. So let's match. Now apple. Where is apple tree? This is the apple tree. Grapes, grapevine. Next is your mango with a mango tree. Children, do complete this activity in your book with the help of the pencil. Now let's move ahead. Learn to write. Draw over the dotted lines. Now what you have to do? Again you have to trace this. Again the dotted lines. What you have to do? You have to connect these dotted lines. So it will become your tabla. I hope everybody likes tabla and many of them knows how to play tabla too, right children? See, this is how the tabla looks like. You can do this. What you have to do? You have to just connect the dots. What you have to do? You have to connect the dots with the help of your pencil. This is how your tabla looks like. Can you see this, children? See this? This is how you have to do. Before doing this activity, sharpen your pencil. Okay, children? And you have to connect all the dots properly in a systematic manner so that it will look good. So here comes the tabla. Now let's see what is this. Say aloud. Bat, B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, M-A-T mat. Let's repeat. B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, M-A-T mat. B-E-D bed, F-E-D fed, R-E-D red. B-E-D bed, F-E-D fed, R-E-D red. Now let's repeat this. B-I-T bit, H-I-T hit, P-I-T pit. Let's repeat. B-I-T bit, H-I-T hit, P-I-T pit. D-O-T dot, H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot. D-O-T dot, H-O-T hot, P-O-T pot. B-U-N bun, F-U-N fun, R-U-N run. B-U-N bun, F-U-N fun, R-U-N run. See children, have you noticed something in this? There are vowels in between this. This is A, this is E, this is I, O and U. Now let's complete this. Choose a letter from the box and complete the words below. A, E, I, O, U. S-A-T sat, F-A-N fan. S-A-T sat, F-A-N fan. P-E-G peg, L-E-G leg. P-E-G peg, L-E-G leg. B-I-G big, S-I-T sit. B-I-G big, S-I-T sit. D-O-T dot, L-O-T lot. D-O-T dot, L-O-T lot. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun. S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun. So children, here we have completed the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. We'll meet you soon with the next week.